Paragraph writing on uses and bad effects of plastic. Plastic is a versatile and useful material that has become ubiquitous in modern society. It is used in a wide range of applications, from packaging and transportation to construction and healthcare. However, the widespread use of plastic also has negative effects on the environment and human health. One of the main uses of plastic is in packaging. Plastic packaging is lightweight, durable, and can be easily molded into a variety of shapes and sizes. It is used to package everything from food and beverages to electronics and cosmetics. However, the use of plastic packaging also generates a significant amount of waste. Plastic packaging is often single-use, meaning that it is discarded after a single use, leading to a buildup of plastic waste in landfills and oceans. Another common use of plastic is in construction. Plastic pipes, insulation, and roofing materials are used in buildings and infrastructure projects around the world. While plastic construction materials offer benefits such as durability and flexibility, they also contribute to environmental pollution. During the manufacturing process, toxic chemicals are often released into the air and water, leading to environmental contamination. Plastic is also used in transportation, in the form of car parts, tires, and other components. While plastic car parts can reduce the weight of a vehicle, leading to improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, they also pose environmental risks. When plastic car parts are discarded, they can release toxic chemicals into the environment, contributing to air and water pollution. Plastic has also been widely adopted in healthcare, where it is used in everything from medical devices and equipment to surgical instruments and packaging. While plastic has many benefits in healthcare, such as its ability to be sterilized and its durability, it can also pose health risks. Some plastic medical devices have been found to release toxic chemicals into the body over time, leading to health problems for patients. The widespread use of plastic also has negative effects on the environment. Plastic waste can take hundreds of years to decompose, leading to a buildup of waste in landfills and oceans. This can harm wildlife and ecosystems, as animals can ingest or become entangled in plastic waste. Plastic waste can also contribute to climate change, as the manufacturing and disposal of plastic products generates greenhouse gas emissions. Furthermore, the production of plastic itself also has negative environmental impacts. The production of plastic requires the use of non-renewable resources such as oil and natural gas, leading to increased carbon emissions and environmental degradation. Additionally, the manufacturing process for plastic products can release toxic chemicals into the air and water, contributing to pollution and environmental degradation. In addition to the environmental impacts, plastic also has negative effects on human health. The toxic chemicals used in the production of plastic products can leach into food and beverages, leading to health problems for consumers. Plastic waste in the environment can also contribute to the spread of disease, as it can provide breeding grounds for disease-carrying insects and rodents. In conclusion, plastic is a versatile and useful material that has many benefits in modern society. However, its widespread use also has negative effects on the environment and human health. The production and disposal of plastic products generate environmental pollution and contribute to climate change. Plastic waste in the environment harms wildlife and ecosystems and can also have negative effects on human health. To address these negative effects, it is important to reduce plastic consumption, promote recycling and waste reduction, and invest in more sustainable materials and production methods. By working together to address these issues, we can create a more sustainable and healthy future for ourselves and future generations. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this.